While riding her bike in southern China on May 10th, a woman suddenly came face to face with a tornado. She watched as debris flew hundreds of meters into the air before turning around to flee from its potential path. The tornado mainly impacted an industrial park. Local officials reported it tore through a sheet metal factory. Metal was twisted and tossed hundreds of meters away like paper, causing damage equivalent to over $300,000 Canadian. An employee at the park said within 5 minutes, an entire row of factory buildings had become a pile of scrap metal. He added that all the workers were able to evacuate in time.